So next question is, tangents are drawn to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 at the point where it met by the circles x square plus y square minus lambda plus 6x plus 8 minus 2 lambda into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Where lambda is variable, the locus of point of intersection of these tangents is, option A is 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0, option B is x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0, option C is x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0, and option D is 2x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we have given what? Tangents are drawn to the circle this. Okay, so this circle we have given, on this tangents are drawn where, at the points where it is met by the circles this. Okay, so where this circle and this circle are intersecting, at those points tangents are drawn where lambda is variable, the locus of point of intersection of these tangents. Okay, so we have to find out what locus of point of intersection of these tangents. Okay, for these four options we have given here. Okay, so first of all, let us suppose uh, graph of this circle I am drawing is this one. Okay, now see, graph of this circle, okay, that will be intersecting this circle that I have drawn this. Okay, so these are intersecting at these 2 points. Now at these intersection points, what tangents we have to draw? So tangent, if I'll draw, so that will be like this. Okay, and these tangents will intersect somewhere here at this point. Okay, now we have to find out what locus of this point of intersection of these tangents. Okay, so I am taking this coordinate of this point P, let's suppose this point is P, coordinate of this what? H comma K, this I am taking here. Okay, locus of this point I have to find out. Okay, now this is only single point, how I get the locus? So see here, this point is what? This circle is what? A variable circle. Okay, this one. Okay, so for different values of lambda, different graph of this circle I will be getting. Okay, I'll get different equations. Okay, so this circle will be what? Different in, for different values of lambda. Okay, so these points I'll get different, and if I draw tangent on that one, so they will be intersecting at some other points. So locus of all those points I have to find out. Okay, so see here, this where these two circles are intersecting. Okay, if I'll join these intersection points, okay, so this will be what? This will be common chord of these two circles. Okay, and also this will be what? This will be chord of contact for this point corresponding to this circle. Okay, so this is also what? Chord of contact for this point corresponding to this circle, and this is also what? This is common chord of these two circles. Okay, so this is what? This is common chord, and that is also equal to, uh, corresponding to this circle, and this point, this is what? This is chord of, this is chord of contact. This is how this chord of contact. Why? Because from this point I am drawing these tangents, and by joining these 2 points, okay, where these 2 tangents are drawn, okay, I'll get this chord. So this is also a chord of contact corresponding to that. So this common chord also and chord of contact also. So we will find out what? Equation of common chord and chord of contact, both of these, and we'll put that here. Okay, so common chord will be what? Common chord will be for this circle and this circle, that will be what? S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Okay, so common chord, that will be S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll subtract from this circle this to this circle. So x1, x square and x square, that will be cancelled, y square and y square, that will be cancelled. 1 I'll take this side. Okay, and here there is no values of, here there is no coefficient of x, so I'll take that as what? 0. So 0 minus this, so I'll get what? Lambda plus 6x. Okay, and this will be what? Minus of 8 minus 2 lambda y, so I am taking as what? 2 lambda minus 8 I am writing. Okay, so plus 2 lambda minus 8 y. Okay, this with minus sign I have written this, okay. Then this will be what, by taking it left side, this will be what, minus 1. So minus 1 minus of minus 3, so that will be what, plus 2. So this will be plus 2 is equal to 0, okay. This is what, this is equation of common chord that I have got, okay. Now what, now I will find out what, chord of contact, okay. So I know chord of contact is what, t is equal to 0 corresponding to this point, okay. So chord of contact, this is what, t is equal to 0, okay. So for this circle, t will be what, x1, that is x, and x1 is what here, h plus y1, so y, and y1 is what here, k, okay. And this will be what, minus 1 is equal to 0, okay. This is what, chord of contact, okay. Now this and this will be equal, why, because common chord is equal to chord of contact here, okay. So this I am equating, so lambda plus 6 x plus 2 lambda minus 8 y plus 2, this equal to this thing, so xh plus yk and minus 1, this I have took here, okay. Now on the left hand side and right hand side I can compare the coefficients here, okay. So this will be what, lambda plus 6 by h is equal to 2 lambda minus 8 by k is equal to 2 by minus 1. This what I did, I have compared the coefficients of x, y and constant term, okay. So from here now I'll find out what, lambda from both of these, okay. So from here, okay, by comparing these two I'll get what, lambda plus 6 is equal to, okay, this will be minus 2h. By comparing these two I'll get what, 2 lambda minus 8 is equal to minus 2k, okay. So from here I'll get what, lambda is equal to minus 2h minus 6, and from here I'll get what, 2 lambda is equal to minus 2k plus 8, so lambda will be minus k plus 4. So from both of these I can compare what, values of lambda, okay. So minus 2h minus 6 is equal to minus k plus 4, okay. So now by simplifying this, not minus 2h, this minus 2, this is what, minus 2h minus 6 is equal to minus k plus 4, okay. Now by comparing these two, by solving this I'll get what, 2h minus k plus 10 is equal to 0, okay. Now in place of h and k I'll put what, x and y, okay, to get what, locus. So this will be what, 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Why? Because locus of this point hk, okay, this I have to find out. So that will be what, this 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0, that was required, okay. So this is which option? This is 2x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is option A, okay. So this is our required answer.